Welcome to Car News Flash. Today we're going to be helping two different clients to get into two different used cars. One is going to be looking for a Subaru, the other one a Ford Fusion. Let's go ahead and get started, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, number one, searching car site, visor.vin. Awesome, very simple. So let's go ahead and start off with a Subaru. Let's start off with a Crosstrek first. Let's just take a look and see what color they wanted. All right, so then okay, all right, so let's take a look here. Left hand side, so like used, gonna be also in this area. We just did a Jetta in Georgia and looking for something under $10,000. 17. Let's get that at 10, right? Let's get that 17 to 10. Let's see if we could do that. All right, let's go back again. Nothing found. Okay, let's add a different year, 2020, 2019. Let's see what happens. Perfect. And there we go. Okay, not many in this area. Okay, there's one here, 110,000 miles. See how many miles they're thinking. I see under 1,000, under 100, or under 50,000. I just got the message a couple of hours ago. So let's go ahead and let's wait for those answers. Let's move to the next car. So we're looking, this is a car that the client is looking at. So let's go ahead and call the dealer and see what we could do. Let's see. All right. Hi, I just wanted to see if there's a car available. The 2012 Fusion, Ford Fusion. Thank you. I called this dealer, left messages. Okay, perfect. Are you, can I get a salesperson, or are you? Sure, thank you. Is it okay if I record this conversation? Okay, perfect. Okay, so I'm looking at, first, is there possible to get engine bay pictures? I'm about an hour and a half, so that's why I'm trying to get a lot of stuff done online before I, go out there. It's okay if you can't do it today. You guys open tomorrow? Okay. Do you know if the car was smoked in? Okay, perfect. One or two keys. Thank you. Okay. So this car, I really wanted to talk to somebody where they're asking for this car. Can I sell the price? Oh, okay, so $5,000. So I'm gonna say I'll go with 3,000 cash. Can I pick it up tomorrow? Let's go with that. She's gonna laugh probably, but let's just save some money to our clients, right? That's what we're here for. I say they're gonna go down to $100. That's probably the first offer. They might laugh at me and just hang up. So we'll go back. I haven't even checked what's MMR on this car. Next question will be checking the Carfax. They don't have one on their site, so we tried them to send one to us. Why they don't have one? I think almost everybody has a Carfax on their cars. Ben? Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate your help. Okay. Hello? Yes. This is Ben. Somebody just transferred me to you? Oh, hey, good. So I was looking at the Ford Fusion, the 2012. I had some questions first. I'm about an hour and a half, so I'm trying to do everything I could online first before I head out there. The first question was, do you have a second key, or is just one key? Thank you. Okay, perfect. Is the car there? You guys still have it? So go ahead and like and subscribe. We do negotiations and also just do news about the car world. I'm gonna work on no worries. I'll be working on a Kia PV5. It's like a van actually. not a minivan. It's a van that Kia is throwing out. And it's electric. So check that next video. Should be out this weekend. Then also we help other people get good deals in cars. Again, maybe now 3 weeks ago, worked on a deal. All right, let's get back to. Okay. So it's only one key. Do you know the car's on a different lot? The lady said right before.
Yes.
Okay. And I know it's late. I was asking for engine bay pictures. So it's tomorrow. Is somebody going to be there? Can that somebody send me that?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, I'll have one of my lot guys bring the car over here so we can send pictures over to you.
Okay, perfect. And I don't see a Carfax report on your site. You guys don't offer them?
No, we do.
Okay.
Can you text me the best email to send it?
Sure. Where should I text it to? Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can send it over to your email.
Perfect. And what else? And if they could find out if it has been smoked in or not.
What do you mean by that?
Like somebody was smoking inside of it? Yeah.
Yeah. If they bring it, if I can get them to bring it over tomorrow or in the morning, then I'll definitely check for you. I'll go inside of it myself, smell it.
Okay.
Do all that for you.
What time are you there? What's your hours tomorrow?
We get in from 9 a.m. and we close at 7.
Oh, yeah. Let me know. Text me. Give me that information.
So I'll send over
Yep.
the Carfax to you, and then tomorrow I can see if I can send those pictures and then we'll go from there.
Yep. And I have cash, so I want to get a deal going.
Okay, so you're not looking to finance, right?
No.
And where you looking to register the vehicle?
New York. I'm up in New York.
New York. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, so I'll send over the Carfax to you. What was your first name?
Ben.
Ben.
Yep.
Sean, nice to meet you, man.
Same. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. I'll send over this information and hopefully we can get a deal going.
Thank you. Bye bye.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too. So I got his contact information. Yeah, he actually answered back with the email address. He's gonna send the Carfax, so we'll take a look at that. Sounds good. Easy, right? So some quick tips when you're buying a used car. So the car looks pretty clean, right? I don't know why the picture's so big. It's annoying. There we go. So it looks pretty clean, right? We're looking at the car. Maybe the car was painted. Yes, this car is painted, right? So I have a pretty good eye, as you saw. And you see this right here, this border, right? It's like silver and then black up here. And then silver again here. It could have been that's overspray, and if it is, it's kind of a bad job because I just saw this section here. To me, it looked like it was painted. So some of this looks like overspray. So the bumper might have been painted. Let my client know. But other than that, now that I see it, let me just keep looking at it a little further. Okay. Yeah, that rear bumper also looks painted. I know usually the rear bumper, obviously different material from the body, and at times, depending on the color, it's like a 99.5% match of the actual color. So here I do see a difference in color shades, but also the color itself looks different. So that's the difference, right? You could have a different shade because of the plastic, but to me it looks like the rear bumper was also painted. The doors look okay. Yep. So we could take a look here. You see this is not matching on the left hand side and the top of the driver's side wheel well, and also the back here. Yep. But everything looks okay. All right. Okay. So let me take a look and see. I'm gonna reach out to the client. I'll be right back, guys. All right, we're back. Like I was saying, you want to make sure that the car hasn't been painted. I mean, it's up to you, and depending on the price, a little fender bender, shopping carts, things like that will cost you to have a bad Carfax. All right, so let's wait for him. Okay, he just got back to me. The dealer guy. Yes, 12. So they have a 2010. Let's look at the inventory. They got a Tesla truck. Nice. 2 Fusions. It is a V6. Okay. What I was saying, just be careful when buying a used car. What I see when I'm buying used cars, they could clean the car out. Just looks mint, right, when you get there. But it maybe hasn't been like that all the time, right? So what things to do, I like to look at obviously the engine bay. You always want to see the engine bay and see how that looks. You know, take a look at the engine to see if there's anything that's leaking. Do your research on the type of car that you're buying and see what are the common issues on them, and just kind of have that in mind when you go to test drive and look at the cars. Engine bay, you want to take a look at the engine bay, see how it is, how dirty it is. Maybe it usually gets really dirty if the car doesn't get cleaned a lot. So then you want to think about the maintenance. Maybe it wasn't maintained as it should be. So, you know, take a look at, you know, even if it's a dealer, look at the oil, get under it and see if there's any issues, any kind of accidents. So take a look at that, drive it past 50 to see how it feels. Check alignment. You know, just do a checklist when you go in and looking at these used cars. Then it's always important for you to get a Carfax report, because they'll tell you one thing and when you look at the report is something else, right? We're talking about mileage change, 100 accidents, right? There's a lot of different things. So always do your homework and check the VIN. Very important. I'm going to leave the video here. We're going to come back to discuss the next car we're looking at. So stay tuned.